The acting CM of Himamalayam, Aina Manik CM, had filed his nomination for the election to the position of a full-fledged leader or the CM of Himamalayam. The nomination was filed today, the 13th of January 2023, at the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Aina Manik's aim, who was accompanied by ministers of the Darbar, informed that the filing of nomination will come to a close on the 16th of January, after which the date for the election of the aim of Himamalayam will be announced. He added that eligible voters include only the Mantri or the ministers of the Darbar, the Basan and the Lingdor. On being asked about how confident he is to win the election, the acting CM of Himamalayam stated that the support offered by the 41 ministers of the Darbar is itself an encouragement to him to reach the goal.
Hadian ba nalai iba nalak donang tepo hima mentala katugan ni puat dia nakaliang jonga karman hi ba kumba kalong mentahi na padanggi babun hi para bakrao kiwan manya seran lang yang kanika sini mga tab ya kanika file nomination na mentaka kambat lijong si Malia dia ngarung karman hi mangan yo so jong jing job hi kumba kini rukila ya alang gaji kersan nadu kitu ki puar mangai lai trailang pat ka Darbar hi manya dan lang gajing tu jing mut hi pat ki de makiru ki nadu kitu ki puar hi ya alang ka ji trailang handu kat kini sini mentar ki wan ya seran lang hi de ngadan gaji karman hi ki banjir di Mupurai di tangki bakrau juga Himamalayam di balong di menteri nang ta pasan Bandung dom Bandung mentah kamar ba kadang dei tangga jing tapatan kan kod adu sgi mandi dingin saya ya ala kasni mandi kadru tarik makin bana apa
nomor kota election Himamalayam hapunya ikut komiti ain ki rules jong Himamalayam simship araja nyo di eksekutif komite kata yang ujar mentah berpenjajah kata ni nak keling cumi di bakrau kumbalai pau lai kutam kibuan yang ban semran lang ipu iam benda bekam mendak sini dah kecikemak maskam apa kecilan cumi siam doburam iam mencari laka bak isi berkawai beluru pensim kat kedai kam nyok na yang Himamalayam kujungi musim pura dia nak keling cumi kum di para bakrau barak juga malai kutam lai pau ai gi jingsu kublai kerpang ya PC kumala management siam dong ia mencari dong barawai ke ba masyim ngene gerai bangiru kum kadawar hai pedang hun mensiam ya kada gejing penjaj jot sumsel paniot no usiam bora
kopi kum acting kata ka syong ha ka buar jong ka council nama kuliah nama yang ala thung na ka liang jong ka executive committee jong ka council ka syong ka
Monong pinang beteng syam dayas po.
Kung talong mantatay na kanandang habatan hish.
Nomor bawas kemudian kan kemudian aku ong syai acting CM shall continue office until appointment of new CM kita ka keren syai kamdo ka jekren balada file nomination haban tak kamdo kita bada kataru ni sana di start